Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Confirm the game build an account and back up your save before any change. Once done, disable mods and cloud sync so files won't be rewritten during repairs. Next, make sure system date/time and platform certificates are correct. Mismatches commonly trigger integrity failures. Finally, check your antivirus and quarantines for blocked files, and temporarily allow or disable real-time scanning, so initial verification can run. You now run the platform's verification tool to identify corrupt files. This directly targets integrity errors. If errors appear, clear the platform cache and redownload only the flagged packages rather than a full reinstall. It's faster and preserves saves. When a file still fails, compute its checksum and compare it to a trusted reference. This tells you if the file changed. If the checksum differs, replace the file from a clean source, or let the client refetch that package automatically. You finish by repairing runtime libraries and the platform client. These often fix hidden verification mismatches. Once the game launches correctly, restore your save and re-enable mods one at a time to confirm none reintroduce errors. If problems persist, collect verification logs and error codes for targeted fixes. One key troubleshooting tip: reset your network adapter and DNS to defaults and retry verification. Corrupt downloads from DNS caching can cause recurring integrity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.